In multiplying radicals with same indices, you just have to multiply their radicands, or the numbers inside the radical sign. So that will be square root of 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 will give us square root of 6. Here, we have square root of 7 and square root of 14. So just multiply 7 and 14. That will be square root of 98. In this case, 98 can still be simplified. So you have to simplify square root of 98. It has factors of 49 times 2. To simplify, get the square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7. And then just copy square root of 2. So the answer is 7 square root of 2. How about here? So as you can see, pares naman sila ng index. Just multiply their radicands. 4 times 12. So that will be cube root of 4 times 12. That's 48. And for the variables, copy the variable and add their exponent. 2 plus 5, that will be equal to 7. So since this is cube root and we have 48 here, 48 can still be simplified. So you have to think of factors of 48 wherein one of the factors is perfect cube. And we can use factors of 48 as 8 times 6. For the variables, we can expand x raised to 7 using the index 3. So we'll have x raised to 3, another x raised to 3, and hanggang sa makumpleto tayo ng 7, we can have another x. So 3 plus 3 is 6 plus another x is equal to 7. Now let us simplify. Here we can get the cube root of a perfect cube. So ang perfect cube dito ay 8. Cube root of 8, that is equal to 2. While for the variables, as you can see, meron tayong dalawang x cube. Ibig sabihin, gagamitin natin yung dalawang yon as the exponent of x outside. So ang naiwan sa loob is cube root of this one, 6, and yung natirang variable, x. So we have 2x squared, cube root of 6x. Now, how about this one? Meron tayong isang term dito and then 2 terms inside the parentheses. In this case, pwede natin gamitan yung distributive property. First, copyhin muna natin yung term outside. And then, multiply it to the first term inside, which is 7 cube root of 6. Then, plus, multiply ulit natin itong nasa labas, 4 cube root of 3. And the number inside, we have 2 cube root of 5. So, let us start with the first term here. Yung coefficient natin dito, 4 and 7, we can multiply them. That will become 28. And copy the radical sign. Multiply the radicands. 3 times 6, that is equal to 18. Plus, multiply the coefficient. 4 times 2, that's 8. And multiply their radicands. So, copy the radical sign. 3 and 5, that will be